Alright guys, I got the 57 finally finished, at least to where it's safe to drive anyway. So we got new power steering, power brakes, wiring, new suspensions all rebuilt, and it's running. It sounds alright, a little bit of rattling this morning, but hopefully it'll clear up. It's original 283 and a power glide training. But I got the backyard cleaned up. So everything's cleaned up. Let's get this thing out of here. I'll just move it around the front so it'll be easier to get it out. Thing runs pretty good so far. So I got new, what did I have in it? I got new floors, brand new gauges, a new column. It's a shorty column to run with the power steering box. Steering done, the alternator, pretty tight fit down there, but everything's clearing all right. We built the carburetor, Pertronics ignition, coil and wires. It needs an exhaust system still and a lot of other work, but main car, it should be safe to drive as long as it keeps driving. The front suspension's rebuilt, disc brakes, rebuilt the rear suspension, new lenses all the way around, turn signals work, everything works in it. It's got a bench seat for it. It's pretty rough, but you can sit on it. It's neat, man. I'm going to trim this off. I'm really not sure how accurate the gauges are yet. They don't move much, but they are moving. And I hooked up the idiot light. It's just a red light for oil pressure. Hook that up so I can keep just the factory lights in it. It needs some work, but this car's worth putting money into it. It's pretty neat. 57 Chevy, 210 series, I think, wagon, something like that. And there it is next to my 55 Plymouth. They're probably about the same length, I would think. What's neat about his wagon, it's a 2-door. That's real sporty, but I do prefer the 4-door on mine. I can do a lot more stuff with 4 doors. 2-door does look better though. But yeah, it does need a lot of body work in here, but it's not going to be a perfect car. He wants to just kind of leave it kind of like this and just drive it and have fun with it. It'll always bring money back. Somebody had danced on the roof. I was able to hammer it out a little bit and get it to pop back up again, but it was completely just caved in. Still some sharp edges around in here and stuff, but it can all be hammered out and save the roof. It's not too bad. All right, let's look how clean the backyard is now. That's my 65 truck. That's going to be on the cab on my tow truck. My 36 Ford, had that for a long time. It was a gift from a family member years ago, in pieces at the time. My 55 Plymouth. My grandparents owned this car when it was brand new. Then I modified it. It was a 4-door. I made a 2-door out of it. And then my Toyota Land Cruiser 80 model. It will pass emissions still. But I let the transfer case run out of oil from sitting, and then I drove it and cracked it. So that was my fault. But it'll move around and stuff, but I still got to fix it before I really drive it. But I keep everything covered up. And then of course you guys know the slug in the garage here, and then the old mighty turtle here. Yeah, I put this plate a friend bought for me. I put that on there and cut out the spot for the in-out box, the V-drive. Yeah, I think that looks pretty sharp. I'm wanting to move this stuff around for a while, but it seems like such a hassle. I had to move so much stuff. It just made a mess back here. Look at this. I gotta clean all this up. I don't like cleaning. Maybe I can hire somebody to clean it for me. Whew. And there's the tow truck, soon to be. Yep. Put all that goodies and frame stuff on this truck, and then I'll of course on my other video, if you watch my other video explaining a little bit more on the tow truck, I'll extend the cab or something. That's why I got 2 cabs for this. And now I don't have to worry about an A-frame or anything, because I picked up the forklift over there for $500, and that'll do everything I want to do. Yeah, look at this disaster. Ay, ay, ay. It's a lot of work on that Chevy. It's all that little stuff that gets you. Like, I thought it was done, then the starter went bad, then the points quit, so then I was like, you know, I need to put electronic in it, and so I don't have to mess with that anymore. And Pertronics is a pretty trustworthy company. I've got Pertronics in my old Ford Flathead. All right, guys, just wanted to give you a quick video of the 57 being done and being pulled around the front. And so now I got room to work on my stuff. I can work on my tow truck and do the cab modifications on it. You got to excuse the hurr today. It's a little bit warm. For California, it's about 80 degrees. That's boiling hot. But you know, I digest. So thanks for watching my videos, and that'll be it for today. And something new will be coming up soon. We'll start working on that tow truck. And please subscribe and like and do all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.